Call this the machine. It's got lithium ion batteries in it. It does wheelies. So it's pretty badass.
You told me you were coming on Monday. Now you're wasting people's time.
God changed it all up, dude. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to go by what, you know what I'm saying, what was planned, and then all of a sudden those plans changed, and I forgot to let you know clearly. My bad, Kyle.
Okay. We'll remember that next time you need help.
You're gonna do me like that, huh? All right.
Idiots.
What do you need? Half? Okay.
So now that we have the beams in from last week, our plan is to put a staircase right here. Obviously, we're gonna have to move all this stuff out of the way, but we're gonna put a staircase right here that goes up to the second level. We'll have parts on top. Our nuts and bolts are gonna get moved down here. Have one section of shelving just for the heavy parts that Alan uses on a day-to-day basis. And then up top there, we're gonna put like a 20 by 20 room up there. Have a pool table. Make it all fun. And then it'll be storage all the way around. We're gonna have solar, which we can show you over here. Here's our solar panel. There's gonna be 4 inverters here. I got this here, and then we'll have another one. Charge controllers all here. And then we'll go straight up to the roof, load the roof with like 40 solar panels, 400 watts. And then this will power the whole second floor, air conditioning system, lighting. And then we ran each pillar a box to be able to run swamp coolers and lighting basically off the solar, so the electric bill is way less. Up in our party room, our employee lounge, right?
Hey, when we were moving stuff around to put up these beams, CJ found this giant pile of cat turds. And yeah, it was pretty gross. So I got pictures of it. I'll send them to you.